In the modern AI world, the features of paramedics typically include advanced technology, the use of cutting-edge technology, such as wearable devices and artificial intelligence algorithms, to enhance their ability to diagnose and treat patients. Real-time data collection and analysis, the ability to collect and analyze patient data in real time, allowing for more informed and accurate medical decisions. Improved communication. Advanced communication technologies allow paramedics to better collaborate with other medical professionals, such as hospital staff, to ensure that patients receive the best possible care. Increased efficiency. The use of AI algorithms can help to streamline paramedic workflows, reducing the time it takes to respond to emergencies and improving patient outcomes. Enhanced training. AI-powered training tools and simulations can help to improve the skills and knowledge of paramedics, leading to better patient care.